everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know what is the process for closing your Commonwealth Bank credit card account. So the process for closing your Commonwealth Bank credit card account is that you have to follow the steps. First thing, go and log into your account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. From the home page, tap on accounts, then select the credit card account you'd like to close. After that, you could go ahead and tap on manage account. Once you've done that, click on close credit card account. If you're eligible, read the things to know about closing your credit card account. Before closing your credit card account, make sure that you've already made payments or pending payments. Then click on the continue button at the bottom and then close your account. And with that, you've completed your steps. It's going to take a couple of hours or maybe a day to process. So you just have to wait patiently until you get further information. So that's the way you can close your Commonwealth Bank credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.